Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make these cute donuts, like 3D donuts. So they're not flat on both sides. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to show you how to make. So, what you need is, I'm using some crayola Model Magic, in pink. I'm going to make a pink one. You can actually do whatever color you want your donut to be. So, you take whatever color, light. So yeah, so you take your color, okay, and I got this in Crayola Dream Bakery, and it's just a little mold thing. So you're supposed to flatten it out, but I like to put it in this way, so you get a better shape. Okay, then you flatten it out. You don't need too much, because then you're gonna do another one and stick them together. So you're gonna basically try to get all the clay into a little crevice there. Okay. So once it's got like that, then you push up on this part or push down. Okay. And then once you go like that, push it up. Then you're just gonna lightly go all the way around the edge and pull it up, just so you can remove it. Now this clay, air dry clay, is a bit sticky, so it might stick a bit. I might have to do it over again. But then you get like the shape, right? And then I'm just gonna put some, just so it's not sticky. Get some baby powder. And you can actually put baby powder in your little crevice, or if you're going to make it by hand, however you're going to make your donut. If you have a mold, like a flexible mold, that's good too. So yeah, so I'm going to take some more clay and stick it in the crevice. Now you want to have 2 of them. Okay, I'm just going to go around, remove any excess that you don't need, because you want it to be nice and flat. Okay, and you don't have to use this air dry clay. You can use Sculpey or cold porcelain if you want. But I just find it makes kind of cute little, see, so it kind of sticks there. So yeah, so when you've got 2, you're going to connect both of them together. Okay, and you could probably go back into the mold and just get it right again. So I'm just putting it back in the mold so I can get the shape back. Right? It's not the greatest, but you can cover it up. So you got like kind of like a 3D cupcake. You got like a 3D donut. So then you can add your, where are my eye pens? Take an eye pen. And take your eye pin, okay, and you're just going to stick it in whatever and you want. I'm just going to cut that down a bit. Totally rusty anyways. Okay, so yeah, cut that down a bit, and you're just going to stick it in whichever way you want. Now, if you have defects like this here, like that, that's okay, because you can cover them, right? So when your when your donut is kind of dry or it's done baking, you can add your toppings. So here I've got some tulip puffy paint, 3-dimensional paint, or you can use scribbles, and you could do as much as you want. I'm just going to cover just the top part with it. I'm just going to go all around. Like that. And you can make little things, but I'm just going to leave mine random. Try to get halfway in the center, because you want to make it look like it's been dipped, and just go all the way around, filling up any pink you see on top. Mine's not as dry, but you want to wait until yours is completely dry, or it's baked completely. So you do that. I'm just doing it quickly. You can do a lot more better job if you want to. Okay, so you let that dry. Alright, so when your first topping is pretty much dry, you can go, if you want, this is optional, you can go in a second time with a different color. And I've chosen pink here. So I'm just going to, whoops. Oh shit. Sorry about that. I just put my finger in the wet paint. So yeah. So then you could just kind of zigzag this across. And you might want to shake up your paint first. So it's kind of getting little lines in it. Okay, for some reason this doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so I just guess screwed that up a bit, but okay. So then you just want to go right across to make drizzle. Or you can just do it one solid color. That's pretty fine. I'm just going to go back over this part again. Like so. And then you'll want to let this completely dry. I would suggest to let it dry for overnight or so. And then you got that. And you can add your whatever you want on it. You can add like a bow, like this one, or you can add a whipped cream dollop and add like jam. It's amazing. You can just pick any, like just there's just so many different kinds of color choices you can do. So yeah, so that's my tutorial on how to make a 3D donut. So, thank you for watching.